Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the THINKWARE U3000 Pro 2CH 4K HDR Dual Dash Cam. I've looked through the internet, checked expert reviews, Reddit discussions, and real-world user feedback. And in this video, I'm going to help you decide whether the U3000 Pro is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that immediately stands out is the camera hardware and recording quality. The U3000 Pro uses Sony STARVIS 2 sensors on both the front and rear cameras, delivering 4K UHD recording in the front and 2K QHD in the rear. According to multiple reviews and testing impressions, video quality is excellent both during daytime and low-light driving, with improved clarity, reduced grain, and better license plate readability compared to many older premium dash cams. One of the biggest reasons people are buying this system is the radar parking mode. And honestly, this is where the U3000 Pro separates itself from most competitors. Instead of relying only on motion detection through the camera, the built-in radar sensors monitor movement around the vehicle while consuming much less power. That means the camera can wake up before an impact happens and record suspicious movement around the car more efficiently. Reviewers consistently mention that this system works better than traditional parking detection while reducing battery drain significantly. The parking surveillance system is also extremely customizable. You get multiple modes including energy saving, time-lapse, motion and impact detection, smart parking, and radar buffered parking mode. This level of flexibility is one of the reasons enthusiasts and city drivers especially like the THINKWARE ecosystem. Another major strength is low-light performance. THINKWARE's Super Night Vision 4.0 processing combined with STARVIS 2 sensors gives the camera very strong nighttime clarity, and several reviewers specifically highlight how well it handles dark roads and parking lots compared to cheaper dash cams. Connectivity is also premium level here. The U3000 Pro includes 5 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, optional LTE connectivity, smartphone integration, cloud features, and ADAS alerts like forward collision warnings and traffic light notifications. For users who want remote notifications or vehicle tracking, THINKWARE's cloud ecosystem is a big advantage. Now, after going through expert reviews and community discussions, there are definitely some trade-offs worth mentioning. First, this is an expensive dashcam system. Once you include the rear camera, OBD cable, and optional LTE accessories, pricing climbs into serious premium territory. Multiple reviewers specifically mention that cost is the biggest barrier for most buyers. Another point is setup complexity. Because the system includes advanced parking modes, radar settings, cloud connectivity, and optional accessories, first-time users may find the configuration process a bit overwhelming compared to simple plug-and-play dash cams. There are also some user complaints regarding app experience and parking mode sensitivity. Some Reddit users mention needing to fine-tune radar sensitivity to avoid excessive triggers or battery protection shutdown behavior. Others note that the mobile app can feel clunky at times, even though the core camera system itself is very reliable. So, would I recommend buying the THINKWARE U3000 Pro? Honestly, yes. If you want a top-tier dash cam system focused on premium parking protection, excellent night video quality, and advanced smart surveillance features. For drivers who park outdoors, street park regularly, or simply want maximum vehicle security, this is one of the most capable systems currently available. But if you just need basic accident recording for everyday driving, then this is probably overkill, and there are far cheaper dash cams that will still do the job. Overall, this feels like a professional-grade automotive security system disguised as a dash cam. And for people who truly value parking surveillance and premium video quality, it absolutely lives up to its flagship reputation.